Usually the ghunna is pronounced light or thin, tarqiq, but it's pronounced thick or tafkheem or heavy when there is a heavy letter after it or thick letter after it with ikhfa. So when you have ikhfa on it, you look at the letter after it, and if the letter after it is a tafkheem letter in khusul daqtin qiz, but the kha and the ghain, the letters of the throat, so you don't pronounce it with the ikhfa, you pronounce it with the ithar because it's a letter of the throat. So the rest of the letters, sa, da, ta, qaf, and do, those are thick letters. If it's after the nun sakin and tanween, then you pronounce the nun sakina with ikhfa. That's in the rules of the nun sakina and tanween. If one of the letters of the ikhfa, you pronounce it hidden, in the hidden pronunciation, if these are letters after it. These two letters, ghain and kha, they're letters of the throat, so you don't pronounce it ikhfa, you don't pronounce it hidden, you pronounce it clearly, so you don't have the ghunna in that situation. You only have it when you have the ikhfa, these letters, sa, dod, ta, qaf, and do. Now what happens also, you have to look at the level of the tafkheem, the level of the thickness or heaviness of the letter after it. And that's in the chapter, that's in the section on the levels of thickness. If you have an alif after the thick letter, then that's the highest level. And then if you have a kasra, that's the lowest level. And then, so that's in another lesson on the levels of tafkheem. And the ghunna also follows that. So that's the rule that they say for the ghunna, for the ikhfa, when you have the hidden pronunciation, the nun sakin and tanween, and the rest of the letters that are not izhar or iklab or idgham, then it's ikhfa, it's hidden. Then what happens is the nasalization, the ghunna, it's either thick or thin, and also it has levels of thickness, just like the thick letters have levels of thickness, the levels of heaviness. And this is a little bit complicated. There's a lot of terms over here. So, but you can look at the other lessons of the Tajweed, and hopefully you can follow along with what I'm talking about over here in the thickness and the thinness of the ghunna. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.